Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how you can hide your quest list in Fish It Roblox. So if your quest list in here is blocking the view, in Fish It you can easily hide that clutter UI. So you can just watch this quick guide to see the exact button to press so you can focus on the reel in those mythics or secret without distractions. So here, as you guys can see now in the Fish It new update, there are lots of quests that you can do. But if you don't want the quest list to ruin your screen view, here you can just click on this little button at the top, this one right here. I don't know what it's called, but this is the button that you need to click to hide those quest lists. So with just one click, it will be disappear. So that's pretty much all. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. I'll see you in the next one.